This is the preview exercises for College Algebra Lesson 5. Number 1, if the width of a rectangle is represented by x and the length is represented by x plus 200, then we want to write a simplified algebraic expression that models the rectangle's perimeter. So I find it very helpful to just draw a picture of the rectangle. The width is x, and then the length is x plus 200. And because this is a rectangle, this is also x, and this is also x plus 200. And perimeter is the distance around the rim, right? Perimeter. So the distance around perimeter is going to be x plus 200 plus x plus 200. And then we simplify by combining like terms. I've got 4 x's there, and 200 plus 200 is 400. And then we want to write a simplified algebraic expression that models the rectangle's area. And area is length times width. So it's going to be x times x plus 200. That is my length times my width. Distribute the x to make it simplified, and we have x squared plus 200x.